afternoon.
Oh, it's bright.
Yeah,
Good afternoon.
We're actually here in another event.
Yeah.
And it's here at the ATRIUM.
Yep.
Here in Irvine.
I know.
So we're just lining up.
All right, we are rolling in.
Yep. I wonder where we're gonna be parked
I know.
at.
And we got our VIP pass.
Yep.
And we are here now inside.
I have no idea where to park.
We just need to know where to park.
Where do we park? Do we just park here or?
I don't know.
We just finished setting up. This is us right here. It's a little bit tight right here. These are all our neighbors right here. And we are planning on walking around. Yeah. Oh, now we have an opening right there. Alright, so this is us right here. The sun is going down. These are all our neighbors in our passenger side right here. These are all the amazing cars. Here's Hugo right here. Here's BP. Here's Baggin right there. This is our simple setup right now, guys. And here's our neighbor, our driver's side. And then these are our front neighbors right here, guys. Here's our neighbors in our row. Now we're just going around. There's all the amazing cars parked over here. And here's the amazing trophies right here. And then here's the center stage and the DJ booth. And this is how the building is right here. We're gonna park here. We got some cool vendors here. We got some chili season candy. And then we got some horchata over there. Oh wow. This is cool. Look at all the cool cars here. We're back out here now. So this is how this whole venue place looks like. It's pretty cool. It's nice. Right, so we got horchata and watermelon. Ooh.
Good.
Oh wow, that's awesome. Okay, so we got our lights on too. And then here's our neighbor's lights right here, guys. And then here's all the cars' lights here. I got my Bluetooth controller right there. We're just going to turn on our Bronco and let it be. Here's our RTR and our new form light. And here's all of our dynamic lights right there, guys. From top to bottom and to the side. Right there. Right here, guys. All right, so this is how it looks like with the just car on. guys, this is how the inside here looks like. Wow, this is so nice. For a car show? Damn, this is nice. Wow. It's awards time.
2023 ATRIUM car show. Gonna go to Best EV, Oliver Switch Tesla. Let's get it, baby. For Best KDM, Nick Griso, 2019 Kia Stinger GT. Let's go. Best BMW goes to Kayla Star.W. Best truck gonna go to the Bronco Adventures.
Woo! That's all you. Woo! Thank God. Wow. Another blessing from God.
I know, best
I know. Thank God. Wow.
2023 ATRIUM show.
Wow.
Car show. Best Mopar. Hell Gala, let's go.
Woo!
For the best Audi.
Oh, best Audi.
This guy came from all the way from Montana.
Wow.
A3 projector car. Let's go.
Woo!
Best Toyota.
Oh.
All right,
Toyota.
best Toyota is going to go to Eli Tarara.
Woo!
Best Nissan.
Oh, this is deep. Oh, man.
1 second, please.
Oh, boy.
All right.
This is it.
Dedrick Policy. The brand new. The best Honda. Hugo. Let's go, Hugo.
Best Lexus, guys.
Goes to Beefy. Come on down, bro. You win. Best Lexus. It's gonna be best Chevy. Best Chevy.
Ooh.
Kelly. C8. And she's the owner. Best SUV is gonna go to no other than Jesse Garza. Flag SO for the best engine bay. It's gonna go to Nick with the Kia.
Congrats. Wow.
Best paint is gonna go to Jose, the 2019 Honda Accord. Let's go, baby. For best wheels goes to no other than Jonathan from Liberty Walk. Best trunk, Annalise with the IT Corvette. Let's get it, baby. Best Mitsubishi. Then Cam, congratulations. She got it. Best of Show 2023 ATRIUM SpeedPeeps Car Show goes to no other. The man right there with the GTR, I'm gonna call it teal blue. Let's go, baby. Best of Show.
Right, all the trophy winners are going up now.
Let's go, baby. Squeeze in like sardines, baby. Let's go. Photos. Get the best photos. You guys can, please.
Thank God for another champion. Wow. Best truck, guys. Woo! So here's our free food that came with our car show package. Cool. And it was all the way down there. Okay, let's do this.